Welcome back. 7:25 right now. R. Kelly's attorneys, well, they have begun their defense in the singer's trial for sex crimes here in New York, and it comes after prosecutors presented a mountain of evidence against him. Now we are joined right now by Fox 32 legal analyst. We've got Larry Yellen this morning joining us. Good morning, Larry. Good to see
Good
you.
morning, Scott. Good morning, Anita. How are you?
We are doing great. It's good to see you as always here on Fox 32, as you have always been part of our family. Well, let's talk a little bit about this case. What can the defense strategy be after such a very emotional testimony against Kelly at this point?
Well, honestly, the defense, although we like to say that they began putting on their case yesterday with their first witnesses after the prosecution rested, the defense in this case and in most cases begins with the cross-examination of the prosecution witnesses. So for the last 4 weeks, they've been putting on their defense in the sense that they've been cross-examining the key witnesses against R. Kelly, essentially 5 women who say that he tortured them, abused them over the years, and that he used his managers and other associates to gather these groupies and make them available to him. So the defense has been putting on their case for 4 or 5 weeks with their cross examinations. They've got a couple of witnesses they're going to put on this week, but no bombshells are expected.
Well, he's got a very good attorney representing him in Steve Greenberg, and certainly he knows how to defend this kind of case right here.
Actually, let me correct you there. Greenberg is off the case. He stepped down a couple of months ago.
Okay,
Pulled
well,
out of the case.
okay, well, I apologize about that. Let's talk a little bit about the defense, though, because a lot of people are going to wonder here, is R. Kelly going to take the stand in his defense in this case? And if you were his attorney, would you recommend he do that?
Well, in most cases, I think the jury wants to hear from the defendant. And if the defendant can keep his cool and perform well on the stand, it's not a bad idea to put the defendant on the stand. But in this case, I think there's a two-word answer to your question, and that is Gayle King. If you remember the Gayle King interview, which R. Kelly did a couple of years ago, 2019, I think, before he was held in custody, and he totally lost his cool, was incapable of maintaining his composure, and I'm sure his defense counsel are advising him that if you can't do any better than that, we're not going to put you on the stand. He is not on the list of witnesses that the defense has provided to the prosecution, so it's very unlikely he would take the stand, that there would be surprise testimony.
I'm glad you brought up the Gayle King interview. I did forget all about that, and that is not going to play very well for him. All right, well, Larry Yellen, good to hear from you on this case, and of course, if we learn anything more about that, we'll bring that to our viewers. Have a great day, Larry.
You guys too.